Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I will discuss with you chapter 3 and the name of the chapter kinds of sentences. I have already discussed about it. So students, let's get started. See, the student asks their partners quick questions and mark their responses in yes or no. Student, it is an activity. See, do you brush your teeth daily? And the answer will be yes. You will fill the answer according to yourself. Do you pray daily? Yes or no? Obviously yes. Did you wash your hair today? Yes or no? So, fill it according to yourself. Do you know how to make tea? Also, it is up to you. Do you know how to ride a bicycle? Yes or no? It is also upon you. Students, first of all, I will talk about sentences. So, what is sentence? Sentence means a group of words that makes complete sense. Listen carefully. A group of words that makes complete sense. It does not mean that always a group of words will be sentence. No. Group of words that makes complete sense. And see students, next see the text. She is a singer. It is an assertive sentence. Is she a singer? It is an interrogative sentence. What a singer she is. It is an exclamatory sentence. Sing sweetly. It is an imperative sentence. So students, there are 4 kinds of sentences. First, assertive, then interrogative, after that exclamatory, then imperative. See students, first assertive sentence. You can call it declarative also. See, sentence, Nikki is learning to play the piano. Again, Nikki is learning to play the piano. So student, it is a simple statement, and sentence that says or states something is called statement. So this is also called assertive or declarative sentences. So see, declarative sentences. Next, when do you start learning to play the piano? So student, it is started from WH word and it is a question sentence, and at the end of this sentence question mark will come. So it is which sentence? Interrogative sentence. Next, see, when did you start learning to play piano? Same. Next is imperative sentence. So what is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence gives advice or instruction or expresses a request or command. For example, stop whatever you are doing. So it is a command, it is an order. That's why it is an imperative sentence. Next, exclamatory sentences. See the example. Yummy, a fresh cake. Yummy, a fresh cake. Student, it is an exclamatory sentence because it expresses joy. It expresses happiness. See the definition of exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence shows anger, fright, surprise, happiness, or other strong feelings. Again, an exclamatory sentence shows anger, fright, surprise, happiness, or other strong feelings. See, yummy, a fresh cake. This is an exclamatory sentence, and always at the end of the sentence, exclamatory sign will come. See this. See all four sentences. Nikki is learning to play the piano. Next, when did you start learning to play the piano? After that, stop whatever you are doing. Next, yummy, a fresh cake. Students, remember it that always a sentence start with capital letter, and at the end of the sentence full stop will come if the sentence is assertive or declarative. And if a sentence start with WH word or helping word, it means that sentence will be interrogative sentence, and at the end of the interrogative sentence question mark will come. Next, stop whatever you are doing. It is which sentence? It is an imperative sentence, and after the end of the sentence full stop will come. Yummy, a fresh cake. It is an exclamatory sentence, and after the end of the sentence exclamatory sign will come. So students, these are the some important rules related to the sentence. Now we will come on the book exercise. See, kinds of sentence. I have already explained. Assertive sentence first, second interrogative sentences, third imperative sentences, fourth exclamatory sentences. So students, assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? A sentence that says or states something. Assertive sentence. A sentence that says or states something is called a statement. And these type of sentence are also called assertive or declarative sentences. See the some sentences related to the assertive sentences. I have a fever. It is a simple statement. Her father is a businessman. Pongal is a harvest festival. These sentences do not ask questions. So students, these are the sentences in a simple statement. That's why these are assertive sentences. These sentences do not ask any questions. Next rule is they do not give command, means assertive sentence do not give commands. Next rule, each of these sentences says or states something. So these are statements. We put full stop at the end of each statement. I have already discussed about it. So see the definition of assertive sentence. A sentence that says or states something is called a statement. These are also called assertive sentences or declarative sentences, as these assert or declare something. So student, it is about assertive sentences. Next, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means question sentence. See, a sentence that asks a question is called a question sentence. Question sentences are also called interrogative sentences, and always these type of sentence means interrogative sentence always starts with WH family words like how, where, when, what, which, whom, or and starts with helping verb. Helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had. So see the sentence. How old are you? It is a question sentence. That's why at the end of the sentence question mark will come. Where were you yesterday? It is also an interrogative sentence. At the end of this sentence question mark will come. Do you go to school? And put the question mark at the end of the sentence and note down the rules. Each of these sentences ask a question. Again, each of these sentences ask a question. They are therefore called question sentences. They are therefore called question sentences. Second rule. Here we do not put a full stop at the end of a question. What we put up? We put a question mark at the end of the sentence. So instead we put a question mark. So students, these are the two types of sentences, and the rest of the types we will do in next video. Till learn these rules, write down these sentences in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.